Man, what's Gucci? Sneak in the cut, and don't make fun of me. I know I got my muffin top today, man, but today the Camaro need another oil change, so finna go do that. You know what I'm saying? I don't really, well, I already did a more in-depth how to change your oil for a Camaro, so I'll link that video below. But this video is just gonna, I just want to talk about preventative maintenance for your cars, man. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people, not me, I'm not included in this, you know what I'm saying? But I know a lot of people that, you'll go a pretty long time without taking care of, your usual preventative maintenance stuff, you know what I mean? That being your oil change, your oil and filter change, you know what I mean? Making sure your fluids are topped off and everything like that. I've seen some people ride around on bald tires and everything, man. It's dangerous, you know what I'm saying? When you take care of your preventative maintenance for your car, it extends the life of your car for a very long time, you know what I'm saying? You ever heard of people still driving in cars that got 300,000 miles, 400,000 miles on them? That's because they took care of that preventative maintenance, you know what I'm saying? And in return, their car lasted a very, very long time. They don't have to buy a new one. So it's been right around a little bit over 3,000 miles since my last oil change, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. Like I said, I'm not really going, I'm probably going to bring the camera out there, show a few clips, but it's not gonna be in depth. Like I said, I'll link the video to my my oil change video if you want to see how to actually change your oil. But preventative maintenance, man, let's get it done. Alright, man, so the oil change is all finished up. It's done, got everything cleaned up and everything like that, man. Like I said, this wasn't gonna be a in-depth how to change your oil video. You know what I'm saying? This is just a quick talk to everybody out there, man. I want to shout out to anybody who does their own oil changes and works on their own car. You know what I'm saying? And even if you don't do your own oil changes, man, but if you stay on top of it, you know what I'm saying, and you either keep note or know, when you need to get an oil change, and you go ahead and get that done on time. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. If in life, man, when you have nice things, you want to take care of them. You know what I'm saying? Even if your car isn't the best, the top of the line, whatever, you still want to take care of what you got right now. You know what I'm saying? Because that's going to prepare you for in the future when, you get your next car and it's nicer than the one you got right now. You know what I'm saying? So you want to be able to take care of your things, man. You know what I'm saying? And when you show appreciation for what you got right now, you know what I'm saying, God is going to bless you with even bigger and better and even more. You know what I'm saying? So, and another thing with that is, man, when you got something nice, you know what I'm saying, if you take care of it, it lasts you a lot longer. You know what I'm saying? And that's not just with cars, that's with yourself, with your body too, man. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that you're working out, you know what I'm saying, that you're healthy. You want to make sure that you're eating good foods, you know what I'm saying? And in return, you're going to feel a whole lot better. You're going to look a whole lot better. You know what I'm saying? Your body is going to treat you a whole lot better. You're not going to be, feeling old and breaking down and everything like that, man. And you're going to live a much, much longer, much healthier life. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell you how many people I work with that, just eat junk and don't work out. And you know what I'm saying, we sitting there at work and that's all they talk about is how horrible they're feeling. You know what I mean? So take care of yourself, man. Health is wealth. You know what I'm saying? Apply it to all aspects of your life. Apply it to your own self, your body. You know what I'm saying? Apply it to and I know this is just material things, but you have them, you want to take care of them. You know what I'm saying? So whatever you got, man, whether it's your body, your mind, you know what I'm saying, your soul, your emotional well-being, your car, your house, your pets, your significant other, take care of them, man, and they're gonna take care of you. If you like this video, go ahead, leave me a like, you know what I'm saying, hit up the comments if you want to, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, man, you know what I mean. I really want to put some positivity out there in the world, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Squat.